Hello friends, this is Bharti and you are watching Learn Maths with Bharti. So today we have a new topic related to similar triangles. But before that we need to revise a little bit. What is that? It is related to the similar triangles. Two triangles are similar if their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. What is the meaning of these two sentences? See, here we have two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle DEF. So these two triangles are similar if they satisfy these two conditions. What are they? Corresponding angles are equal. It means angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, angle C is equal to angle F. Angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, and angle C is equal to angle F. This is the first condition. And the second condition is their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. It means AB and the corresponding side is DE. AB by DE is equal to BC by EF is equal to AC by DF. This is the second condition. So two triangles are similar if they satisfy these two conditions. But now a question arises. What is that? Every time do we need to check all these equality relations between their corresponding angles and the corresponding sides? Okay, so our answer is no, because we have some criterions. If we follow that criterion, we need not to check all these equality relations. Okay, let us see what are they. So here we have AAA criterion. The first criterion is AAA criterion. What is AA criterion? AAA means angle. It means first we read the sentence. What is the statement? If in two triangles corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio, and hence the two triangles are similar. Okay, we will understand this with an example. The statement says that if in two triangles corresponding angles are equal, here corresponding angles are equal. See, here angle A is equal to angle P, and here angle B 80 degree, and here angle Q is 80 degree. These are equal, and here angle C and here angle R is equal to 40 degree. So here corresponding angles are equal. This is enough to check whether the triangles are similar or not, because if the corresponding angles are equal, then automatically the ratio of their corresponding sides will be equal. So how should we write this? What is the procedure of writing? These two triangles are similar, so the procedure is, see, in triangle ABC and triangle PQR. See, here in triangle ABC, angle A corresponds to angle P. So angle A is equal to angle P, and angle B is equal to angle Q, and angle C is equal to angle R. So we can write therefore by AAA criterion, we can say that triangle ABC is similar to. Okay, first we should choose a triangle and we can write it in any order. First triangle we can write it in any order, ABC. But here when we write the second triangle, we have to follow the same order. It means here I am going through A, B and B to C. A to B and B to C. It means 60 to 80 and 80 to 40. 60 to 80 and 80 to 40. Here also we should go through 60 to 80 and 80 to 40. It means we should write in the same order. It means triangle P, Q, R. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Okay, I hope you have understood it very well. Now let's move to the next example related to AAA criterion. So friends, here we have another example. Here we have to check by AAA criterion these two triangles are similar or not. But before that, I need to explain you one more thing. Here AAA criterion means corresponding angle should be equal. Okay, but if we corresponding two angles, only two angles, if we prove that the corresponding two angles are equal, then it is enough. Then it is enough to show that the given two triangles are similar to each other. It means if we prove that only two corresponding angles are equal, then the given two triangles are similar to each other. Okay, so let us check similar or not here. Here it is given GF is parallel to KI. So let us write it GF is parallel to KI. GF is parallel to KI. And here you can see here FK is a transversal. So we can easily find a pair of alternate interior angles which are equal. It means angle F is equal to angle K. Whenever you find Z shape like this, it means these are parallel lines. And one transversal cuts. You have a pair of angles, alternate interior angles. Okay, you may find Z in this way or Z in this way. Okay, it means it looks like N also, and Z in this way. Then you will have alternate interior angles. Okay, so in triangle, let us take this triangle GF. Let us take GFH. In triangle GFH and triangle GFH and triangle IKH. Angle F is equal to angle K, and what is the reason? Alternate interior angles. Okay, now we can see one more pair here. GI is also a transversal. So we can see one more pair of alternate interior angles here at G and at I. So angle G is equal to angle I. So what is the reason here? Alternate interior angles. Okay, so now it is enough because we have proved that two corresponding angles are equal in these two triangles. So these two triangles are similar to each other by AA criterion. But if you want to prove by AAA, it means AAA criterion, then we have to look for one more angle. It means here you can see here this one, this angle and this angle is also equal. Why? Because these are vertically opposite angles. It means angle FHG is equal to angle KHI. So what is the reason? Vertically opposite angles. So therefore by AAA, it means AAA criterion, we can say that triangle order is also very important. How to write? Okay, first triangle you can write in any order. uh, okay, I want to write in this way: G F H. Then you have to write the other triangle in the same order. It means G to F, F to H. It means, see how I am going: G to F, F to H, G to F, F to H, like this. So here, this corner, from this corner, okay, I to K and K to H. So you should write triangle I K H. Triangle GFH is similar to triangle IKH. So these triangles are similar by AAA criterion. I hope you have understood it very well. But still you have some doubts, you can comment me in the comment section below. Okay, and I will meet you in the next video. Until then, bye and take care.